Learn verb variations and their Igbo meanings. Last time we learned about parent verbs. Now we are going to use one of the parent verbs and make our own verb variations. Let's start. Igbo English. Number 1 R is da. Da is our parent verb. Da means fall in English. We are going to change this da in various forms of verbs. Number B, example, ida. Ida means to fall. Ida, to fall. You can see that here we add prefix nganihu. We add a prefix nganihu to this da. It becomes ida, meaning to fall. Number 3, dara, fell. Dara, fell. Dara is past tense of da. We add suffixes rea, ra. This is our suffixes mgbakwunye nsonaazụ in Igbo. So we change it from da to dara. Number D, dapụ, fall off. Dapụ, fall off. We put suffixes here to this da. It becomes dapụ. We add po, po. That is our suffixes. Number A, nada is falling. Nada is falling. Here we add prefix na a. Na a. Na a means present continuous tense. When you hear na a or na a, it means present continuous tense. In English, we know it by the verb we have ing at the ending. So nada is falling. Na a is our prefix. We add it to da, it becomes naada. Number 3, gaada, we fall. Gaada, we fall. You can see that here, when you hear ga in Igbo, it means future tense. Something that will happen but not that particular time. Maybe later. So ga here is our prefix. We add it to da, it becomes gaada. Number G, adala. Adala, meaning don't fall. Adala, don't fall. You can see here that we add both prefix and the suffixes. A here is our prefix, nganihu, mgbakwunye nganihu. While lia, la is our suffixes. We add it, both prefix and the suffixes, to this da, it becomes adala, don't fall. Number B, adahi. Adahi means did not fall. Adahi or adahi. Adahi did not fall. Adahi did not fall. You can see that this B has both prefix and the suffixes. Our prefix here is a. We call it in Igbo mgbakwunye nganihu. Then our suffixes here is he, e, he. It becomes adahi, did not fall. You can see how this da varies from da to ida. From da, fall, to ida, to fall, dara, fell, dapo, fall off. Naada is falling. Gaada will fall. Adala, don't fall. Adahi did not fall. So like and share our videos. Follow us for more. Subscribe to our channel. Bye.